Welcome to this tutorial on MSI analysis using Road Doctor software from Roadscanners. All you'll need to follow along with me is the software installed to your machine and video collected using RDSV. Note that I'm using version 3.7 for this tutorial. You can purchase the newest version by contacting our company. For more information, visit our website. Road Doctor has modified Swiss Index MSI analysis tool. As a user, you can define parameters to be classified. Each parameter has two features: severity and area. The analysis process includes following steps. First, Road Doctor plays video of predefined road section. In this case, we use 50 meters. Let's replay this section to see its condition. You can do that by pressing Replay button. Now, Road Doctor pauses the video and waits for your input. Values are given by just entering numbers for cracking, raveling, etc. By pressing Enter key on your keyboard, you confirm the values and enable Road Doctor to jump to the next 50-meter section. Let's test how it works on several sections. You can also replay a section if needed. Now, there are a few things you can do for fine-tuning the process. Instead of giving each number for every 50 meters, Road Doctor can use the latest value as default. Analysis can be done so that Road Doctor won't pause the video. The software will just continue using last given values, and user inputs only those that change. To do that, select corresponding options in Fixed Analysis Settings menu. And press OK button. Now you're done. Naturally, there are many more features offered by Road Doctor, but this should give you a good foundation. Feel free to check out other tutorials in this series. See you next time!